Good afternoon, parents. I'd like today to present the flyer that I have designed for our field day. It's a day that we have a bunch of kids go out and have fun, play games all day, get a kind of a little break from school. It's looked forward to every single year by all kids of all ages. Um, so I'd like to tell you about the flyer and why I chose to do the things that I did. First, I would like to point out the colors. I used two colors that are very bright and very prominent. The first one being a sky blue, the second one being yellow. You can see both of the colors are represented two times a piece. The blue, where it says Mokena Junior High School, and the blue star, and then the yellow border and the yellow star. The colors are important because blue is kind of calming, but yellow is kind of bright and fun. If we kind of want to portray the day as being a relaxing but fun and eventful day for kids and parents. I also chose to use a colorful field day sign and some children playing on the bottom. They're both very colorful and bright. Children love color. Parents pay attention more when there's color and they're bright. They have a lot of things going on. And the brighter you make things, the easier it is for them to find and remember. The next thing I want to talk about is the border and the lines that I used. I chose a star border. It's yellow as well. The star border is fun for kids. In school, they talk about getting a gold star for being good, behaving. This field day is kind of a reward for behaving. The yellow stars also represent that parents are able to see the flyer. They kind of remember, like, hey, this is important. Stars around things usually draw people's attention to what the context of the flyer is. I also chose the field day sign with a jump rope. It's kind of has a squiggly line at the bottom. Squiggly lines represent things that are fun. They are often used in things portraying children, for children, daycare, schools, things like that. The next thing I want to talk about is the balance. I thought it was important for both the parents and the children to be attracted to the flyer. If the kids see the flyer, then they'll want to give it to their parents. Say, hey, look at how cool this is. And then the parents will then read the information on the flyer. The information will stand out to the parents, and they have less of a chance of forgetting about field day, and what day and time and what you need to bring. I also chose to separate the two colorful pictures by the primary colors that I've chosen, the blue and the yellow, just to kind of separate it out. The pictures are more so for the kids, and the words are more so for the adults and the guardians that are involved. I also chose the blue and yellow because they kind of stand out together, but they're very different colors. I was able to use the yellow inside the blue and the blue inside of the yellow. You can see both colors, very bright, very functional. I also want to talk about the text that I used for Mokena Junior High School. It's a text that's similar to, it's like a chalkboard. Chalkboards are often associated with schools and children. So again, this flyer is important for both kids and parents to see. I believe that this one is the best one because it has a good combination of color, balance, lines, and a design that the kids will find fun and the parents will pay attention to, which is extremely important because I know everyone has a busy life and it's hard to keep things in track sometimes. So I hope you guys vote for my flyer.